Honestly speaking, sharing this video, like, I feel very very ashamed of myself sharing this video. And the truth of the matter is, I have never shared this story with anyone in my entire life, honestly speaking. So sometime 2022, like, I think towards 2 weeks to Christmas, everyone around me was actually celebrating. Like, people, my friends, my families, neighbors, they have already started celebrating, buying gifts, traveling, planning their parties and all of that. But to me, reverse is the case, honestly. I was just busy, staring at my bank app, and all I could see in my balance was just 3,842 naira. Not like this 3,000 plus is not even enough to buy a decent chicken. It's not even enough to buy my siblings small gifts, and it is not enough to buy anything. I'm not even talking about getting something very very nice for myself. No, it's like it didn't even go halfway at all. I was like, I began to ask myself some question. Am I really cursed? Like, what is really, like, from the beginning of the year till up to this moment, like, this is all I could afford in my app, like in my balance. I was really really mad. Honestly, I was really really mad. But I said, well, I made a promise to myself that this is not going to happen again. Like, this is the last time I'm going to repeat this cycle in my life. So that night I sat on my bed, and I whispered to myself, and I said, like, God, hey, I cannot repeat this again next year. And trust me, I did not. I didn't repeat it again. You know why? Because that December, something in me shifted. Like, something in me turned around. At that point, I discovered a few simple side hustle. I discovered a few simple side hustle now, and this side hustle, they are beginner friendly. Like, you literally need no experience, you don't need any magic, and this can actually change everything for you. And also, it changed a lot for me. So fast forward to December 2024 until this moment, 2025. I want to show you guys the exact side hustle that I used, and a lot of persons around me have used it, and the ones that is working this year for thousands of beginners worldwide, be you in Nigeria, in Ghana, USA, Canada, anywhere you are in this world, it can actually work for you. So if you're tired of being broke every Christmas, if you want extra income this year, like, you really really want to enjoy the holiday without you feeling embarrassed, just the way I felt during 2024, during 2022, trust me, you need to watch this video to the end. You need to watch it to the end. Like, don't skip, don't fast forward. Trust me, this video is your turning point, you understand? So without wasting much time, guys, let us dive in now. Why December is a good, you need to understand the fact that December is a good month for beginners, you understand? Now, this is why December is the best month for you to start your side hustle. It is the best because people spend emotionally, they don't spend logically, and everyone wants things very very fast. Demanding is also high, and like, it is very very higher than supply. And also, you need to also know that businesses need extra help, and also families buy more gifts, and also not only that, they buy digital products and sell it the most. So even if you have never made any sales before, this is an opportunity for you to actually start one. Do you understand? Because coming to the end of this year, this is going to give you the highest chance for you to succeed in whatever business you want to venture it. Now let us go into the side hustle that actually worked, especially for beginners. Now, number one side hustle is your Christmas digital product. Now, like I said, this is a beginner friendly. You need zero experience, and also it is a high demanding business. Now, Christmas digital product include, you can go into Christmas budget plan. You can go into kids activity sheet. You understand? You can also go into making Christmas wallpapers, and also holiday meal planners, or maybe gift tracker, and also Christmas couple portraits. Do you understand? It worked. This whole business ideas worked because you don't need any shipping. You don't need any stress. All you need is instant delivery. And trust me, everyone is searching for these beginners. Like everybody is searching for this, beginner friendly business that they can actually, buy and purchase at every of their convenience. And also beginners that want to venture into this make their first sales very, very fast. Now, where can you sell this? You can actually sell it in a lot of platforms. You have your WhatsApp, you have your Facebook, you have your TikTok, you have your Twitter, you have your YouTube, you have your ST, you have your Facebook Marketplace, and also your Instagram DMS. You understand? So you need to create ones and sell them forever. Now, trust me, this is a passive December money, and you can't afford to miss it. Now, another side hustle you can actually venture into is your digital portrait. That is making of flyers, smudge painting, video editing. You understand? This is one of the biggest beginner friendly hustle for December 2025. Trust me, people want Christmas portraits, couple portrait. People need family portrait, they need the baby portrait, they need cartoon portrait, and they also need their pet portraits. So do yourself good to start this. It can also be very, very, it will create, and it's going to fetch you a lot of money. This is brand, you can use some of these beginner friendly apps like your Procreate, your Remini, your IB's Paint, your Lightroom, your Photo Lab, and also your Snow app, and also, trust me, your Canva. Very, very important. You understand? Now, where can you find clients in order for you to sell any of these products? You can find clients on YouTube groups. Yes, go to YouTube groups, you can find clients. Also, go to Facebook groups, they are there. Your clients are also on your WhatsApp status, they are on Instagram, they are on TikTok. You can actually find them there. Now, trust me, this side hustle alone can actually earn you close to 2,000 naira, 2,000 to 20,000 naira per day, depending on how fast you can, or the number of this thing that you can actually create. You understand? Now, the best part of this is that you don't need to draw anything. All you need to do is to learn the softwares that can actually help you. Yes, you also need those softwares. Now, digital hustle that you also need to start this year is your drop shipping service. Yes, drop shipping service. Now, in drop shipping service, you don't do the work. No, you outsource it. Now, how can you do it? Mind you that this is perfect for December because businesses need urgent services. Some parents need quick solution, and also couple need Christmas designs. They also need brands. You understand? So this is a minute marketing that a lot of people can actually venture into. Now, mind you that these services, you can actually resell them using your flyers. Like you can use flyers, your logos, your thumbnail, Christmas video editing, captions, ad and resume design in order for you to sell these things. Okay, so you can also find your client and outsource the job and keep the difference. You understand? Like I said, it is a beginner friendly. You don't need any skills, just your communication. You understand? Then side hustle number 5 that you actually need is your short room video editing. You understand? This is the fastest growing side hustle in the world, and businesses and creators need Christmas ads for their businesses. They need holiday promos, they need family videos, they need gift review edit, they need TikTok reels, and also YouTube shorts. Do you understand? So you can use apps like your CapCut, your InShot, VN, and also your Canva in order for you to create any of these video editing. You understand? You can start charging people as high as 5,000, 6,000, 50,000, even above, depending. If I tell you the amount that a lot of persons make in video editing, you will marvel. Do you understand? So trust me, December is that crazy period that people want to edit even the same day at once, so you can make a killing out of it. That is it. Now, number 6 side hustle is your Christmas freelancing packages. Yes, this is where beginners make serious December sales. They offer holiday bundles like Christmas content package, holiday social media cleanup, December flyer package, business December branding kit, and also Christmas WhatsApp status pack, and also December family calendar pack. Now, trust me, beginners can do all this using a simple tool. your Canva. Yes, you are selling convenience, not perfection. So clients will happily pay for this type of services. Now, mind you that every December, two kinds of people exist. You might be wondering, what do I mean? Yes, two kinds of people exist during Christmas period. One are those people who say, this month drain me up. Then another set of people are those who say, this month changed my life. So the difference is the preparation. You don't need experience. You don't need luck. You don't need permission. You just need to start now. You need to begin today. Do you understand? December can be the month you finally break that pattern. The month you make your first 50K, 100K, millions. And the month you stop explaining why things are tight and not working out for you. Do you understand? So it starts with one decision, which is to what? To choose a hustle. Start it today. You understand? Your December miracle is actually waiting for you, if only you believe it. So if this is your first time of coming across my channel, you are welcome. Don't forget to like this video, okay? Go to the comment section, type, I am starting my December hustles. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my content, okay? See you guys in my next video.